scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Social efficiency versus market equilibrium can look sneaky, but this one unwraps fast if you match each quantity to the right curve intersection. Start with social efficiency. In these graphs, that happens where marginal social benefit equals marginal social cost. So you look for the intersection representing the efficient quantity, not the market outcome. From the graph, those social curves meet at quantity 9, so that is the socially efficient quantity, and that already rules out any choice pairing efficiency with 6 or 12. Now find market equilibrium by using the market curves, where marginal private benefit equals marginal private cost, and the graph shows that quantity is 12. Well done! Option C. Scan now. The trap is rushing signs. Trust what is given and check each intersection before locking the quantities in.